Dr. Bali inspired this support group for women fighting breast cancer.
Fantasize your body flourishing, blossoming into beauty and grace. Deeper, deeper, deeper.
Feel the extension, slowly down.
And with feelings of firmness and tautness. Hold it, feel it. Reach out, make circles. Inhale, exhale. Up again, stretch your arm. Hold this for the present moment. Hold it, let go.
My first experience with him, I cried because it was my sternum and it was very, very painful. I had actually fractured my sternum at the time. And I could not lie down on my stomach. And that was my favorite position to sleep ever since I was a child. And it had been like 5 years I had never slept on my stomach. And when he makes us go on our stomachs at the end to relax, inside I wasn't sure, but I did it anyways. It was like, you know, a revelation, it was a release.
And relax. And it is the feelings of comfort and joy which is your medicine. And slipping away into feelings of being. That's where the healing molecules are being released.
And now I actually teach yoga to women with breast cancer also. Yeah. Yeah. So it was a full turnaround from a very sick patient who had 6 months to 5 years to live to a yoga teacher.
And as you feel the rush of energy, feel the absorption and assimilation of all the nutritional and the medicinal needs. This is the moment to cherish.
Et comme Francine, nos premiers cours de Dr. Bali, la seule chose que j'ai fait, c'est respirer et pleurer. C'est tout ce qu'on fait dans les premiers cours de yoga. Et ensuite, je me suis rendu compte que tout ce que j'avais à faire, tout ce que je pouvais faire, c'était respirer. Même les positions, c'est respirer. Parce que quand on est en choc, on oublie de respirer. Et bon, j'ai encore des choses à apprendre, manifestement, puisque je suis en récidive depuis 1 an. Et moi aussi, j'ai mal au sternum. Et je pense qu'il faut respirer, dire et laisser aller.
Feel the mobility. Again, feel the rush of energy.
Et moi, si je viens pas au cours de Dr. Bali, mon monde éclate encore. Donc, je fais du yoga 3 fois par semaine, j'essaie. Parce que ça m'aide à vivre.
Thank you for sharing that.